Today I will be reviewing some fabric that I ordered from Etsy. I ordered that pink fabric, and then I ordered that fabric right there where they got spots on it. We're gonna see how it looks when I get home from work, and then we'll be back. You guys, it is currently 5:26, and I'm still waiting on my fabric to arrive. I'm off of work. I gotta go out of town to Panama because it is my sister's 21st birthday. When the fabric arrives, I'll be back with the fabric and reviewing the fabric really fast.
Day 2.
It's currently Saturday, November 19th, 11:35. I am still waiting on this fabric to arrive from my house. Finna wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower and stuff. Now I'm finna hop in the shower, and I'll be back. Hopefully the fabric done arrive by the time I get out.
1 hour later.
Okay, so y'all, I think the fabric arrived. I'm walking up to the mailbox now. It's here, The fabric is here. Now we can review. The fabric is here. Now we can open it and see what it's looking like.
Woo!
This made me wet. This made me wet. Oh! Oh! Oh, this got my Gucci wet. This got me wet, y'all. This got me wet, y'all. This got me wet. That is so pretty. That is so pretty, like. This pretty too. It's giving pretty and pink. Y'all tune in for part 2. I will be cutting out the patterns, and then I will be pinning up the fabric. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe.